I have always been a huge fan of gaming, and since the holiday season is officially here, I wanted to see if AI can give us a little Christmas miracle. Today, we are putting four of the biggest names in the AI to the ultimate test: Gemini, ChatGPT, Claude, and Grok. The goal is to see which one can actually build a playable game from scratch. But to make it interesting, I am turning up the heat with some strict rules. Rule number one, it has to be a 3D endless runner. Rule number two, it has to be a full Christmas vibe. Rule number three, it need to include all the essential mechanism like movement, scoring, and obstacle. The budget, which will be zero. I am using the free version of every single one of these models. And the rule number five, each AI only get 15 minutes to deliver a working product. And the best part is, I'm starting with a very simple prompt. Let's see if they can handle the lack of instruction or if they'll need a Christmas miracle to get the code running. Let's get into it. Let's start the timer. Let me just paste my prompt here, which is a very simple prompt. Make a 3D Christmas runner game using Three.js and start. Let's see how it is going to understand the prompt, how it is going to create the game, and let's see. So as you can see, it started writing some of the code. It looks like it writing the code in React and it using all the things. Once it is completed, I'm going to see how it is working or not. So the model in this one we have Claude Sonnet 4.5 and see, wow, it looks great. You can see it has created the snowman character, Christmas tree, present to collect snow particles and all this, and we can see we have some of the controls. We can use arrow key left, right, or AD to between three lanes, avoid the Christmas tree, collect the red present for 10 plus point. Your score increase as you survive. So let's see. Okay, so it looked like it failed at first. Um, Let me ask it to fix this. Now it is thinking about and like where it can fix. So it fixed some of the issue. Um, okay, this looks like it's completed. Let me run it again. Oh, well, it looks fine to me. Okay, so if I click left arrow, it will go to left. If I click right arrow, it will go to right. And I can also collect the collectibles here. Uh, oh, that's strange. I have not collided with the tree, but I don't know, like somehow it's saying game over. And with the score, play again. Uh, yeah, it looks like we can collect the collectibles also. And there is no option to jump for now. Let me try to collide with the tree. Okay, it's game over. So add jumping and sliding also. So I'm just writing a very simple kind of prompt just to see if they can understand the problem, and based on this, if they will come up with like a game also. And let me check the time also. So we have a lot of time now. Let's go back. So it's looks like it's again writing all the code from scratch. So which may not be good in the real like world problem, because we don't want to write the code completely from the scratch. It should have some of the reference in the memory, and then based on this it just need to update some of the value. Some means only the jumping and sliding part. Let's see. Okay, so it's look like it has created the game. We can jump using up arrow or space bar, and we can slide using down arrow or shift. Looks fine. Let's see if it is actually working. Wow, I can jump. I can also slide, which is pretty good, I would say. So yeah, let's try to slide. Oh, I'm able to slide. That's pretty good. Okay, I can collect the collectibles. I can jump. Again, it looks like some of the collision issue because I have not collided with any of the obstacle, but still saying game over. So we'll try to fix it. Also, it is good. if we can see like some of the like power-ups kind of in our player. So let's set that also. Let's see. Okay. Again, it's writing all the code from scratch. Okay. So in the code, I can see it added three kind of power-ups. We have shield, we have magnet, we have multiplier. So it looks like it's completed. It fixed the collision detection part, and it added some power-ups like shield, magnet, score multiplier. I can jump, I can slide, I can do left and right. Okay, I don't know what is this. Let's try to go against magnet. Magnet, if it is working. Oh, it's not working. Let's try to collect some of the collectibles and try to see if we are able to get any of the power-ups. Okay, right. Yes. So, and yeah, this looks good. So yeah, the magnet is active. Okay, okay, wow. So it is coming to us. Wow, that looks very. So I'm really impressed with the Claude game because like given a very simple prompt, it is able to create all the things. So it's pretty good. Now let's try to add some coin collector. Maybe like it it shows like how many coins we have collected so far. Also, I'm thinking if we can add some sound. Let's see. Okay. So one drawback I would say it's writing the code from completely scratch, which may not be the right way. But yeah, it is able to understand what we are asking. It is able to write the code, and it looks like bug free also, which is pretty good. So we have other models also to test, and then we can say which one is working good. Quickly time check. So we only have 3 minutes left. Let's see. Okay, so it's created. Um, so we have the coin counter, we have sound effect, and we have audio feature. So let's test it. Oh, great! I can hear the sound. It's pretty good. Yeah, great. Uh, the one problem I'd say it's again showing game over even I'm not collided with any of the obstacle, but that's only the drawback that I feel in Claude. Other than that, looks pretty good. Like I can see the score, I can see how many percent I've collected. So yeah, it's pretty good. And I can also jump. So overall, I'd say Claude actually created a very good game because it has like all the functionality. It has the sound. It has all the things that we are looking for. We can jump, we can slide, right? We can collect the collectibles, and it has also some of the power-ups. So I'd say the Claude is working very good here. And we also have like some of the shield and other things. So now shield is activated. Let's see if we are not already great. So yeah, that's overall it's pretty good. Let me do the time check for now. So we have 48 seconds. So yeah, I'd say it's pretty good. We are able to create a game. So, so let's stop it. So yeah, for Claude 4.5, I'd say it's working very good. We have the complete game. It has like all the collectible. We can toss the obstacle. We can jump. We can slide. We can do left and right, and also it has sound. So which is very good. So overall, the Claude is pretty good now. Now let's move to the next AI model, which will be Grok. Let me start the timer. Let me paste the same prompt. Let me send. And let's see. Okay. So we have the controls. We have space A and D. So let's test it then. We'll see. Okay, that's very strange. I cannot see anything. Just the score is going up and nothing I can see. So yeah. Okay, looks like completed. So it has fixes, updated the Three.js version, background scene, all these things. That let's test it. So I actually it's again black. I cannot see anything. So Grok is not able to create a game. Let me ask maybe, let's see. Okay, so it's failed to load. Let me ask the same question to Grok. Let's see if it is able to fix it. Let me try to run it here. Okay, great. So I can see something, but it's not moving. I cannot go left, right, nothing I can do. I'm pressing space, nothing is happening. Let's test it. Okay, I can. Wow, what is this? Okay, we can jump, that's good, but the game is, wow, I don't know what is this. A lot of like obstacles are coming and it's just randomly spawning in a place, so it's not a playable. Let me try to fix it. Okay, let me preview it. Uh, I don't think so. It is working. Let me do one thing. Maybe we can copy. Okay. So it's not working. I can see. So in the logs, it's saying 3 is not defined. So the code is not a bug free. Let me ask the same question to this. So it's created. Let me run. Okay, I can see. Oh, it looks like working, but again, the object spawning is not correct. These trees are not correct, and the collectibles that we need to collect, which is not coming, and this is not an infinity because I can see a gap in the platform. So yeah, let me see if I can make it unstable. Okay, so in this one we actually reached the current limit. So with the free tier, the Grok is not able to create the game. The game which Grok created looks something like this. So it has like a lot of bugs. I would say the trees are not looking good, the platform is not good, and we can jump. I mean that's pretty good, but we are not able to collect anything. And if you see the score, which is like this much, but is also not the correct. So yeah, with the free version, we are not able to create a game with Grok. Yeah, we still have 1 minute, but we just hit the limit. So the next model that we are going to test, it's Gemini, and I have a lot of hope with it. Let's see how it is working. We are inside Gemini. Let me start the 15-minute timer and let me paste the same prompt. And I'm not going to change the model. Let's see how it is working with the faster one and if it is able to understand the context from it. So let's start giving the code. So it also uses HTML with Three.js. Let's see how it is running. Okay, okay, great. Wow, I can see it's created. I mean, it looks pretty good, I would say. Can we jump? No, we can't. Uh, and I can see it's okay. So game over. Press R to restart. So yeah, let me start with this one first, and then I'll ask it to add some power up or maybe the collector. Just give me the full code because in this one I don't want to write any of the code. I just want the AI model to write all the code and add like wherever it feels necessary. So refresh this. Okay, so I can see we can jump. That's pretty good. We can also slide, which is pretty good. So I can, okay, so I cannot jump from it. I think I need to slide. Can I jump over the trees? I can. Great. Okay, that's fine. Uh, and it is also able to understand. So yeah, wow, it added the snow uh, like particles here. I can collect. It changes the color. That's pretty good. I can still jump. Okay, great. I can dodge. That's good. I can jump and collect some collectibles. Great. Uh, Again, as you can see that I'm asking very simple kind of question here. Uh, and here I can see it's asking me to give this MP3 file, which I don't want to give because if we look back to Claude, it actually created its own sound using the sine wave and the cosine wave, so which is pretty, I would say, like creative. If it can also do the same, that is very good. But let me try with this code first. Okay. Use your own creativity and generate the music. We started. So start Christmas adventure. Every time I'm seeing the new kind of uh, like the option. So yeah. Oh great. Wow, it's created a Christmas song here. That's pretty good as a background music, and we can collect it. We can jump. That's pretty good. Okay, so it's crashed here. I don't know why, but yeah. So let me ask to fix. Now it changed to start adventure. So it's created a snowman, which is, oh, the obstacle I can see, which is pretty good. Sorry, not the obstacle. We have the power-ups also. Oh, but just not colliding. Okay, something looks weird to me. See, now it's not colliding with the trees. Okay, it's melted. Let me try again. Maybe the power-up is activate. That's why. But yeah, like overall, I would say it's pretty good. But so it's created the snow, removed the snow, and okay, again it changed the things. So okay, looks kind of okay to me, but it's very hard to play because if you see the camera movement, which is not very good, like it's moving the complete environment with it, so which might not be the correct. Let me ask to fix the camera. And every time it's changing the look, let's say. So sometime, see, now it has some animation. Okay, so camera is fixed a bit, but the player, if you see right, we ask for the Santa or maybe the snowman to change it, which is not good. But other part, the sound wise, which is very good. And one of the drawback, I cannot slide now, and pressing the down arrow, it's not sliding. So yeah, the environment wise and all the other things I would say is pretty good, but it has like some of the drawbacks because every time it is updating the code to the new kind of functionality. And yeah, all is pretty good, but every time it is changing the code to the new kind of environment, which I'd say which is not good. But yeah, overall it is able to create the game and it looks pretty good. So let me check the time. Oh, we have 38 seconds, so let me stop it. So overall, I would say it is able to create the game, which is a working version of it. We can do left, right, up, and up. Uh, the down part I cannot do right now. I don't like it's updated some of the code and it's not able to do it. And for the understanding purpose, I would say it is able to understand some of the values, but as it is the Christmas one, so it may like create the player right as in snowman or maybe like Santa. Same Claude did. So one more model to check, which is GPT. So let's see. Start the timer, then prompt here, and let me just send it. Let's see how it is able to understand and how it is able to create two index.html and main.js file. So it's giving index and main.js. So yeah, oh great, it's created something. but I'm not able to move. Okay, I can jump, but there's no option to go left and right. And okay, it's saying game over if we collide with a tree. Oh, it's not restarting it. Okay, that's strange. Let me go here, start the game. We'll see. Okay, okay. Now I can move left and right. I can jump. Okay, uh, looks good to me. I can I slide? No, not able to slide. Okay, I can jump. Okay, looks nice. The next thing that I want to add sliding and add some power-ups, and let's see. Okay, so I can slide. Okay, I can collect obstacle. What is this? Okay, and I can jump. But I just want to see like which shield is activated the same as we have seen in Claude, and like how many collectible we have collected. So let me ask. See, so I can see the, oh, I think the magnet is wow, it looks good. Okay, I'm over score 47, press R to restart. And if I press OK, and if I press R, so it is restarting. One thing I can say, it's not showing the coin collectibles here, it's just showing the scores. So yeah, it should show the coin collectible also, it's just showing the score. And the magnet one, I'd say it's looking very good, but it has some of the bugs, which is kind of okayish. I think the basic kind of game is working, but we don't have any kind of like UI click to start or something. So um, next we'll ask the same. Now let's see. So yeah, I can see the UI. We can start the game. It uh, looks okay to me, but so let's say the UI is like not very good because it should have like some of the Christmas kind of UI because we started with that question first. And yeah, with this UI, I can see which is pretty good. Okay, so yeah, let me ask. Um, Change player to Santa or okay, so it failed actually. I cannot see anything. Let's see what went wrong. So it has uncaught error type reference, not a constructor. So let's see if it can fix within the time because we only have 2 minutes left and it's taking very long time to write the code or uh, so nothing is happening actually. If I click on the start game, we only have 1 minute left. Oh, we only have 24 seconds left. So okay, so I'm still writing the code and it's not completed yet. So I think that time wise, it took more than 15 minutes and it's not even completed, still writing the code. And the code is having a lot of bugs and we have to like explicitly ask for a lot of things. So, so start the game. No, still it's failing. Okay, anyways. So yeah, that's it. So if we look back to the models, we start with the Claude, which actually created a really good game here. We have sound, we can slide, we can do up, down, right, and all these things. And it has also the power-ups to collect and all other things. So which is very good because like giving a simple kind of prompt, it is able to understand that what kind of game we are trying to create and what should be the theme. And yeah, like some of the issue it is having, like this one, it is saying game over without. I mean, like I'm not collided with anything. So that's a Claude. Now we have our favorite one, which I would say the Grok. We created the game, but it has a lot of bugs here. So we can do left and right, but like there's no point to go left and right because we can't collect any collectibles. We can't play the game, so it's not a playable game. Then we check the Gemini one. So it has the start run feature, and we can do left and right. We can jump, but somehow we are not able to slide. And the one good thing I would say, the sound, it's able to create a very good sound, which is pretty good. And the environment wise also, like it's created kind of like snowfall and like the vibes, right? But the model wise, it's not good. But yeah, overall, it's kind of playable game, but not as compared to Claude, which is pretty good. And then we have GPT, which is working earlier, but when I ask it to create the player to a snowman or a Santa character, it failed. I'm not able to start the game, and I asked it to like it's not able to do it. So yeah, so I would say the winner for me is Claude because it has uh, good like environment. It has like the control. It has all the collectible, and overall the UI feels pretty good here with like a very small kind of prompt. I think I will like I only ask I think 3 4 questions. So if I exclude this one, so 1 2 3 and 4. So with the 4 prompt, it is able to create the game to look like this, and which is pretty good. We can jump, we can slide, all the things we can do. So for me, the winner is Claude. Feel free to share your thoughts and your idea and like who do you think is a winner. So yeah, thanks for watching the video and see you in the next video. Bye.